Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Honda Crosstour. Stock number is A6922. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. Swinging around to the back end now. You do have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch. There's plenty of storage room, and there's also a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Climate control, full stereo, that includes a 6-disc changer. You have dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Crosstour on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.